Hey, it's Gina with WTI, and if you're looking for a really quick refresh in your front room or any room in your house, you are going to love these blinds from UNISHADES. The best thing about these shades is that you can choose exactly how much light you want to let in, how much light you want to keep out, and how much privacy you want. I've felt reluctant in the past about getting shades online because I wasn't sure if the company would really do a good job with it. I have to say I'm so impressed with how well UNISHADES did. They were quick to do the customizations and the measurements were perfect. We got 3 shades, 2 of them the same size, 1 different. All the blinds were exactly the right size. They fit in there like a glove. There's not too much of a gap, so it lets a bunch of light in, but there is enough of a gap that they just fit in perfectly. Installation is a total breeze. These come with clear instructions. You simply attach the brackets with screws to your inside frame, and then you click them in place. Hearing that click is so satisfying. It means they are installed correctly. These operate so smooth. In fact, you only really need one finger to move them up and down. You cannot go wrong with these blinds, and that's my point of view.